Bacteria and viruses are both types of microorganisms, but they differ in several fundamental ways. Here are some key facts about bacteria and viruses. Bacteria. 1. Cellular structure. Bacteria are single-celled microorganisms with a more complex cellular structure. They have a cell wall, cell membrane, and cytoplasm. 2. Reproduction. Bacteria reproduce asexually through a process called binary fission, where one cell splits into two identical daughter cells. 3. Metabolism. Bacteria can be classified into different groups based on their energy metabolism. Some are aerobic, requiring oxygen, while others are anaerobic and can survive in the absence of oxygen. 4. Size. Bacteria are generally larger than viruses and can range from 0.5 to 5 micrometers in size. 5. Treatment. Bacterial infections are typically treated with antibiotics, which can kill or inhibit the growth of bacteria. Common bacterial infections include strep throat, tuberculosis, and urinary tract infections. 6. Beneficial bacteria. Many bacteria are beneficial to humans and play crucial roles in digestion, food production, e.g., yogurt and cheese, and soil fertility. 7. Pathogenic bacteria. Some bacteria can cause diseases, such as Escherichia coli, E. coli, Salmonella, and Staphylococcus. Viruses. Cellular structure. Viruses are not cells but rather genetic material, either DNA or RNA, enclosed in a protein coat called a capsid. They lack the cellular structures seen in bacteria. Reproduction. Viruses are obligate intracellular parasites, meaning they cannot reproduce on their own and require a host cell to replicate. They hijack the host cell's machinery to make copies of themselves. Metabolism. Viruses do not have metabolic processes of their own and do not carry out cellular respiration or other metabolic functions. They are not classified as living organisms. Size. Viruses are much smaller than bacteria, typically ranging from 20 to 400 nanometers in size. Treatment. Viral infections are usually treated with antiviral medications that can inhibit the replication of the virus. Vaccines are also an effective way to prevent viral infections. Common viruses. Common viral infections include the flu, common cold, HIV, herpes, and COVID-19, caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Variability. Viruses exhibit a high degree of genetic variability, leading to the emergence of new strains and the need for frequent updates to vaccines, e.g., flu vaccines. It's important to note that while both bacteria and viruses can cause diseases, they have distinct characteristics and require different approaches for diagnosis, treatment, and prevention. Bacteria can be targeted with antibiotics, while antiviral drugs are used to combat viral infections.